BBAI stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is BigBear.ai stock a buy? I'm breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, no one else in this space has more video, a track record proof of 43,000 videos like me. Like, I've been documenting this for 5 years and I've shown you what's working for me and what's not. With BBAI, the only thing that would have made me pull the trigger on this would have been a double break. And just recently, I was looking to buy this 2 separate times beforehand, but 2 break evens have occurred. And since it's a break even, I'm still fine to move forward and buy more if the price gives the rules. And currently, it's just still kind of kept melting. Honestly, that's totally fair. The only thing that I would, again, pull the trigger on is a solid double break, and that's exactly the thing that I'm waiting for. But yeah, if I do not get that happening, then obviously I'm not going to be buying. And people are really going to overcomplicate this sort of stuff. And even if I pop up here with BBAI, still got about 85 results. So yeah, that's how BBAI is looking like. This is obviously not financial advice. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.